Hi viewers, in this video you will learn how to factorize an algebraic expression using a technique of computing square. This video is going to be very crucial, so let's start our video. Here is the first question, x power 4 plus 64, and how to factorize it, let's see. First we write here the question again, x power 4 plus 64. And the second step, we will write x power 4 in square form, and x power 4 can be written as x square whole square, because 2 power 2 is again 4, so x power 4 and 64 can be written as square of 8, so it will become 8 square. Similarly, I will write this x square whole square again plus 8 square again, and after that I will think of a number to add here to make these two squares as a perfect square. 2 into first means x square, and second into second, and second one is 8. I have to add 2x square plus 8, 2x square into 8. Added 2x square into 8 from my own side, so to cancel the effect of this term I will subtract here 2 into x square into 8. I have added here and I have subtracted here. These two can be cancelled out, but I have to convert into a perfect square. So here see, x square plus 8 whole square plus 2 into x square into 8. These three terms make a square. Here first one x square and the second one is 8, and I will put square here. A square plus b square plus 2ab can be written as a plus b whole square by the formula number first. So these three terms can be converted into x square plus 8 whole square. And what's about that? It can be calculated as 2 ones are 2 and 2 8s are 16. So minus 16 x square. In the next step, I will write x square plus 8 whole square again minus, and instead of that I will write 4x whole square, because 4 square again is 16 and x square can be written as x whole square. So I write 4x whole square. In the next step, if you remember the formula, what is the formula? That is, if a square minus b square, two squares exist and there is a different signs among them, so these can be written as first plus second into first minus second. It is equal to that these two sides are identical and their values are equal. So this is a formula. We can use this formula here because first term square and here is second term square, and between them is a different sign. So I can write it as a first one plus second one into first one minus second one. So it's our required answer because these are in multiple form. This term is multiplied with this term. So these terms are in multiple form. We can say this expression is converted into its factor form. These two are its factor. is x power 4 plus x square into y square plus y power 4. Now we will factorize this expression. So in our first step we will write the question again, like x power 4 plus y power 4 plus x square into y square. I arrange these three terms like that because the reason is behind that is it is not mixture. It is also a pure, and this term is a mixture. It is like a multiply b. So I write this term in the last. So we can write it like x square plus y square plus x square into y square. So after arranging these terms and next step I will write this in perfect square, like this is a square of x square and this term is a square of y square, and it is an extra, we can say that it is an extra term. So for a time we ignore this term x square into y square. We have to ignore this term. We have to ignore this term. This term will be ignored. And what to do? As like previous question, we have to add here 2ab, 2 into first into second, to make it perfect square. 2 into first one is x square and the second one is y square. This is a 2ab of these two expressions, 2ab. I have to add a 2ab. Similarly, I have to subtract here 2ab to cancel the effect of that term. And what about the next extra term? This extra term will be written in the last, like that, x square to y square. Okay, these three terms make the formula complete square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. This is complete square, so we can write it in square form as x square plus y square whole square, and these two terms will be calculated, will be solved. 2x square into y square, and here is the option 1 x square y square. If we solve these two terms we have 1x square y square. After solving these two terms we have 1x square y square and sign will be minus. In the next step we have write x square plus y square whole square minus and this will be can be written as xy whole square. After that we know a formula again. If a square minus b square we have, then we can write as a plus b into a minus b. Using this formula we can write as first square minus second square is equal to first plus second into first minus second. So first one is x square plus y square plus second one xy. Similarly, here we write first one and here we use minus second one. So it is a first plus second, first minus second, because first is x square plus y square, so first is x plus y square, and second one is x y, and we can say that it is a, it is b. So a b, sign is plus, and here sign is minus. So a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So using this rules, using this law, this property, this formula, we can write as in the product form. So here is the last step and that is our required answer. Thanks for watching.